Welcome to Scent and Strategies, the channel where we turn everyday financial decisions into powerful tools to transform your future. If you're ready to take control of your money and live a wealthier, smarter life, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our videos aren't just informative, they're transformative. Let's get started. Picture this. You're stuck in traffic, again. The clock is ticking, your patience is fading, and you're already late for work. But here's the real issue. It's not just your time being wasted. That car you're sitting in isn't just burning fuel. It's burning through your wallet, your peace of mind, and maybe even your health. Sound dramatic? Stay with me. Now let me ask you this. If your car came with a meter that showed you how much it cost every single day, fuel, insurance, maintenance, how quickly would you reconsider owning it? Let's break down the numbers. Owning a car isn't just about the price you pay up front. Think about maintenance, insurance, gas, repairs, parking, and the unexpected costs when something goes wrong. In the US, car ownership can set you back as much as $10,000 a year. If you're in Europe, India, or other parts of the world, the costs might vary, but they still add up. And it's not just the money. What about time? The average commuter spends over 60 hours a year stuck in traffic. That's 2 full days of your life gone. And then there's the hidden cost, your health, stress, air pollution, and the risks of a sedentary lifestyle slowly creep in, often without you noticing. Ask yourself, is it really worth it? But before you toss your car keys into the abyss, let's explore an alternative. Public transport. Picture this. You're on a train or bus, reading, listening to music, or even planning your day. No traffic, no road rage, and no surprise expenses. Public transport isn't perfect, but it's often cleaner, more affordable, and far less stressful. In major cities worldwide, a monthly public transport pass costs a fraction of car ownership. Plus, there's the environmental impact to consider. Switching from a car to public transport can save over 2 tons of carbon dioxide annually, equivalent to planting more than 30 trees each year. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I love my car. That's okay. You can still enjoy your car without relying on it for every single trip. Think of public transport as a smarter, more flexible option, not a replacement. Still debating? Let's look at it from another perspective. What if all the money and time you saved by using public transport were invested instead? Could it change your future? Spoiler alert, absolutely. So what's it going to be? Stick with the high cost and stress of car ownership, or explore smarter, more sustainable options like public transport? The choice is yours. Speaking of smarter financial decisions, did you know that the money you save on car expenses could be the foundation of your financial empire? Want to know how? Check out my next video on the power of compounding. It's the secret weapon your future self will thank you for. Click here to discover how even a small investment today can grow into a fortune tomorrow. Don't miss it.